I'm going to show you how you can make money online, how you can make $1 for just listening to music. So you can make $1 for just listening to music. Every 10 minutes you spend listening to music, you are going to make up to $1 for just listening to a music. So that is it. Let us get started. So before we get started, if you don't know me, my name is God's Power, and on this my YouTube channel, I show people a way on how you can make money online for completely free. So you need to watch my video to the end, and so that you will learn how you can make money with this strategy and with this my method that I'm going to show you today. So as you can see on my YouTube channel here, there is a bunch of video you can see here that I have made a way on how you can make money online for completely free. There is a bunch of video here. All you just need to do is to go and watch any video or any one of those videos and start using it to start making money online. You can see the last video I make here, which is how you can make money for just liking posts, liking video, installing application, using it for a particular time, and you get paid. So you have to go and watch this video here, which is how to like a post, get paid money 2021. So you have to go and watch this video so that you can learn how you can make money for completely free for just liking posts, and you get paid for just doing that. So let us get started. Before we get started, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this video. So that is only what I want from you. Let us head over to this website, which we are going to use to make money today. So as you can see, this is the website. It's called Radio Inner. It's very simple website. I know a lot of you want to hazard, just go and start signing up and everything. You just need to watch this video to the end. It will not be long. I will just be very fast so that you will learn something from it. Don't hazard, just stay until the end of this video so that you will learn something at the end of the day. So all you just need to do here is to register. To register is very simple, but let me try to explain everything to you so that you will learn how everything works. As you can see at the bottom, the slogan is in alone or without your website with listening radio. So yeah, that is what they do. You just end without website. You don't need to create a website. All you just need to do is to start listening to music for just signing up on this website, and they are going to pay you for just listening to music. So any type of music you can listen, and it's available worldwide. So it's available worldwide. You don't need to say it's not available in your country. So let us check the website. As you can see, this thing here is ad, so don't just click on that. It's ad. So you can see here how it works. So once you come to this section how it works, you will see how the website works. So how it works, you can see first you don't need to sign up. It's 100% free, and you say create a free account. RadioNR.com. It is 100% free, and you can sign step one. That is one. Why step two? You need to sign in. So once you have created your account 100% free, you need to sign in. After logging in, you can see your account and you start in. So the step theory here, as you can see at the side here, is a start radio or use API. This API is to connect this radio area to your website. Let us say people that are visiting your website, they can use that thing to start listening to music, and you are going to be making money through this API key. So you can see start earning by clicking on open your radio links. You can also use our live API for your website if you wish that your user listening for you. So let me say, if you want, like what I just told you, if you want your user to listen to the music on your website, you can just use the API key, which you are going to put this website on your website, or which you are going to put this radio owner website on your own website, and you are going to get. But if you don't have a website, just click on it, open your account, and start using it to make money for completely free if you don't have your own website. Here, step 4 is how you get paid. So you can see here it's um in and pay out. So you can see every 15 minutes you can get point. This point we convert at the following month to USD. Following month to USD you can pay out via bank transfer, wire, Amazon gift card, or BTC, and you can even use it to, you can transfer the money into your Bitcoin account. So that is it. And here you can see question and answer is this service free? So you can see 100% free. Which country are possible? As you can see, you say you can use our service worldwide. We support every country. So you can see that they support every country here. So here you can see when I can pay out. So you can ask a question you see the question that they ask here, when I can pay out. So you can see depending on the point you have, that is how much you can cash out. I think 1,000 point, I think is 1,000 point is $1 on this website. So you can cash out your points anytime as long as you have the minimum amount of cashing out. I will show you the minimum amount of cashing out. So as you can see here, you say um what with old browser. So with old browser, is it possible for you to use this thing? You can still do this. Yes, so you can just go and start using this in the windows that you have. Let me say you have Chrome browser, or you have crypto tab browser, anything, you can just go and start using it. You say, can I use VPN or Boost? No, Boost or server usage for listening to radio is not allowed and cannot be and will be banned. So if you use, let me say VPN, your account can be banned. So don't use VPN if it's not available in your country. Just go and check other of my video that I showed you on my YouTube channel. You can see other website that you can use to start making money for just listening to music for completely free, or listening to radio. So you can see here how long take how how long take a payment. So you can see here it says we pay by net 30 via paper. So if you want your money to arrive immediately on your paper account, you need to have your paper account, and they will send you the money on your paper account, which is very, very simple. So say register now and register now an account. Registration is 100% free, and our system easy to use. So to register, just need to click on the sign up now. So once you click on the sign up now, it will take you to a session where you have to enter all your information. Let me log out here. Let me log out on my account. As you can see, it just take me to my account immediately, but I just want to show you how you can sign up. And just go back. So to sign up, you just need to click on this sign up button. I don't know why it's taking me to my account immediately directly, but if you want to sign up, this is how it looks. So if you want to sign up, this is how it looks. You enter your username here. You enter your first name, last name, your email address and password, and re-enter your password. And you scroll down here. You write what is on this capture. What is it for dinner? You can write what is it for dinner at the bottom here. And you come down here. You just scroll down and you click on register, and they will register your account immediately. They will send you a verification email address. So when you receive that verification email address, you can now verify your account. Click on the verification link, your account will be verified. Then you will now go back to the login tab, and let me log out again. Sorry about that, I'm logging out, logging in. So you go back to the login tab, which is you go back to enable website, sorry, not enable, radio ina website. So you come back to radio ina website and you click on login. So once you click on login, sometimes if you have saved the password on your computer, it will log you in automatically. Or if you have not, you have to enter your password and your username you use, and you will log in your account. So once you log in your account, what you have to do, you have to go to account. So when you go to account, go to profile and enter your payment method. So let me show you on the payment. Let us click on payout. So as you can see here, you can see what they are saying. Say you don't have the enough cash out. You don't have enough cash. They say your balance is $12, which is $12, which is 12 USD. It is still missing it's still missing 4 $4.88, which is the minimum amount to cash out is $5. So you have to make sure you have $5 to be able to cash out on your account. So that is how much you can cash out, the minimum amount you can cash out if you want to start using Enable, or if you want to start listening to music. Let us go to the point exchange so that you will know how much per point. If you have a particular point, how much will it cost, and how much per point. As you can see here, depending on the country, as you can see here, 3,000 point 1,000 point is $3. As you can see, 1,000 point equals to, as you can see here, is $3 for 1,000 points. So if you have 1,000 points, you will be able to cash out $3 into your paper account. So that is how much you already know now, how much you can cash out. You can see here, $3, $3, $3, $3, $3. Keep on going. That is how much you can cash out. For 1,000 points, you can cash out $3. So that is how much the point worth. And let us see here. If you see exchange point, let me say you want to go and set this thing on your website. You want to go and start promoting this website. You can go to the radio API so that you get the document to be able to go and promote this radio owner on your website. Here you need to create your API key and go copy the link and go and paste it on your website. Radio owner will be screaming live on your website, and people can listen to radio owner from your own website, and you get paid for just that. So when people listening to radio on your website, you are going to be making money for completely free. So that is how that part works. So let me show you how you can start listening to music. Click on this section that said start earning, and once you click on start earning, you need to click on listening to radio. So once you click on listening to radio, it will open this tab here. So once you open this tab, so you need to select the country where you have to the country. As you can see, Europe plus US, that is the countries I can listen music from. So all I just need to do, I need to select which of the country I want to which of the radio I want to use. Radio 1, radio 2, radio 3, and radio 4. I need to click on this radio 1. So once I click on the radio 1, it will take me automatically to entire another page where I have to start listening to music. As you can see, once I play this thing, once I play this play button, I click this play button, I will start listening to music and I will be receiving points. As you can see, the next point I will have will be in 15 minutes. I will have 25 points, which is just to listening to music. So as you can see, the music is playing currently right now. I don't want to loud it. I silent it because I don't want a copyright on my video on YouTube. So that is why I silent the video. So the radio. PTA was gonna meet that very afternoon. That is all I have to say about this part. So all you just need to do is to go and start using radio inner and start making money online for completely free. The link will be in the description below. Just click on that link in the description. It will take you to the to my website, the blog I created, and the link of radio inner will be on my website. You just need to click on the link, and it will take you to radio inner, and you can create your account and start making money. So you already know now how you can cash out. You already know the minimum amount you can cash out. As you can see, every 15 minutes you can see how much you can get for just listening to music. You can see here they say when will I get paid. Every 15 minutes you will get 0.25 points for just listening to music. It's not a lot of money, but it's just something that you can just play. You know, a lot of time we play our radio on computer, on our TV, but we are not getting paid. But this website is going to pay you for just listening to radio, and you get paid for just doing that. Listening to music and you get paid for just doing that. So why not just do that and just leave it to play continuously and let your internet, so that at the end of the month you will use all those money to pay for your internet connection. So that is it, guys. So it's the end of this video. I hope you understand everything. So if you have a question, come to the contact and support. Here you see people, you meet their customer support that can support you if you have any question. So you can contact them on their email and other way that you can reach them on WhatsApp and on Telegram, on on Discord group, so you can contact them in multiple ways here. So you already know now how you can make money with this website. So all you just need to do now is to go and start making money with this website. So it's available worldwide. You already know that. So I will say thank you very much if you watch it to the end, and thank you very much, guys. So you already know now that you can make money for completely free for just listening to music, and at the end of the day there's money that will be falling into your pocket. So let me show you how you can on my website, the link that you can click so that you will be able to get to register. So as you can see, once you click on the first link in the description, once you click on the first link in the description, it will land you on my website. So you just need to scroll down here, scroll down, just keep on going down, until you find this section that says, you select, you come here. Once you come to this section here, you need to look for the website which is called Radio Ena. So you have to look for the website here. Just search for it properly. You can see it here, which is Radio Ena. So you can see Radio Ena here. You just need to follow the arrow here and click on the website here. Click on it. Once you click on it, automatically it will take you to my website, which is it will take you to Radio Ena, where you have to sign up your account. And yeah, so it will take you to Radio Ena. You sign up your account, and you create your website, and you will start making money with everything that I just showed you and how the website works. You already know. So that is it, guys. I'm going to end the video from here. I will say thank you very much and peace out. See you soon. A way on how you can make money online. And bye bye. And don't forget again to follow me on my social media: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Contact me directly if you have any question. There is more video coming your way, so make sure you turn off that icon so that anytime I shoot a video like this, you will get a notification and start using it